Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I am Ijaz Yusuf from Asas National School, Seniors Boys Campus, Rawali Kent, Gujranwala. Dear student, as you know that all educational institutions have been locked down due to the pandemic coronavirus situation. So Asas National School has made special arrangement for you for online classes that your time should not be wasted. Dear students, we are going to discuss today biology. Our chapter number 1 is Introduction to Biology. Dear students, in this chapter, you will learn about meaning of science, meaning of biology, divisions of biology, branches of biology, and relationship of other sciences with biology. Moreover, you will also come across the contributions of the Muslim scientists and professions related to the field of biology. Then in the end of this chapter, you will come to know, or we will discuss with you about the different level of organizations. Anyhow, our first chapter is today about biology. But before going to biology, let us discuss that what is science. Science is the knowledge gained through observations and experimentations to understand principles of nature. Science is the knowledge gained through observations and experimentation to understand principles of nature. We make our observations through our 5 senses, that is vision, hearing, smell, touch and taste. We make observation through our 5 senses, that is vision, hearing, smell, touch and taste. As you know that we have 5 senses. We use our eyes for the sense of vision. We use our tongue for the sense of taste. We use our hand for the sense of touch. We use our ears for the sense of sound. We use our nose for the sense of smell. Now, biology. Scientific study of life is called biology. Biology not only studies life but also those factors which affect life. For example, air, water, soil and temperature. Scientific study of life is called biology. Biology not only studies life but also those factors which affect life, for example, air, water, soil and temperature. The word biology is taken from 2 Greek words, bios meaning life and logos meaning thought or reasoning. The word biology is taken from 2 Greek words, bios meaning life and logos meaning thought or reasoning. Dear students, please note down that air, water, soil and temperature are abiotic. Abiotic means non-living components of our environment, but they play a vital role or influence organisms' life. Air, water, soil and temperature are abiotic or non-living components of our environment, but they play a vital role or influence organisms' life. Dear student, there are 3 main divisions of biology. Number 1 is zoology. Number 2 is botany. Number 3 is microbiology. First division is zoology. Second is botany. Third is microbiology. Zoology. Zoology is the scientific study of animals. In zoology, we study about the characteristics, form, structure, habitat of different animals. Zoology is the scientific study of animals. In zoology, we study form, structure, habitat, mode of nutrition of animals. Botany. Botany is the scientific study of plants. Botany is the scientific study of plants. In this, we study about different parts of plants. For example, root, stem, leaves, flowers. We also study in botany about difference between the edible and non-edible plants. We categorize in botany different plants into fruits and vegetables, and some are herbs. All of this is studied in botany. Dear students, botany is the scientific study of plants. Now, third main division is microbiology. Scientific study of microorganisms. Scientific study of microorganisms. For example, bacteria, paramecium, etc. Microbiology. Scientific study of microorganism. For example, bacteria, paramecium. Microorganisms. Those organisms which cannot be seen with the naked eye, but we use microscope to see them. Microorganisms are those organisms which cannot be seen with naked eye, mean that we cannot see them with our eye, but we use microscope to see them. Dear students, in the last I am giving you assignment related to today's lecture. I am requesting you to solve this assignment and submit it in the group so that we may check it. Number 1, what is science? Number 2, why do we study science? As I told you, we study science to understand the principles of nature. How we make observations? As you know that we make observation through our 5 sense organs. What is meaning of biology? What are the main divisions of biology? Write their names and also describe them. What are abiotic components? And in the end, what are microorganisms? Dear students, I am requesting you to revisit today's lecture and also take help from your textbook, page number 2 and page number 3. As you know, students, that our next year examination of board will be totally changed. It will be all reasoning questions. There shouldn't be any cramming. You must consult all other reference books related to the subject of biology. You can get about branches, you can get about information of branches in first year biology and other books which will be mentioned to you later on. Okay, my dear students, stay home, stay safe, and keep your focus on studies. Okay, dear students, see you in the next lecture. Assalamu alaikum.